patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Robs, cops, counts.
This is my patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension.
Alright guys, we back. Another weekend done. 3 trucks last weekend. We got another one in. Roswell. Single sunroof. Primer roof. We're not going to paint it. And then do black out the whole headliner. Let's check out the truck. Console is going to have to be deleted. We're going to paint the clips and then move the light back some and paint these. All right, let's start by removing everything as usual. All right guys, we got the bracket welded inside. We got the first layer of kitty hair, which is dry already. I'm gonna go ahead and block it off and then level everything out and then put some filler, some light filler in there, prime it, and we'll go ready to put the sunroof back in. All right guys, we got the second coat of primer on top of the bodywork. It's looking good. I'm gonna let it flash off and I'm going to install the sunroof, wire it up, and then start the interior. All right, stay tuned. All right, headliner is all done. It's wrapped. It's got the cutout already, as you can see here. I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and then start the painting on the visors. Get those painted out, plastics, and she should be done. Alright guys, sunroof is done. Everything's on, 100% wired up. Let's check it out.